Hi, this is Russell Murray from Delaware Business Incorporators, and in today's video I wanted to talk about bookkeeping software and an all-in-one business management software solution called Striven from a company called Miles Technologies out of Lumberton, New Jersey. Now we're currently using this software for our business. And if you're a bookkeeper or have a business employing a bookkeeper, you need this all-in-one business management software. Striven is powerful yet affordable, and it's designed for the small to medium-sized business that is looking for a comprehensive business management software, something other than just accounting or invoicing. This is an all-in-one software that you won't know how you lived without it. Let me just put it that way. Features include full charge accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, invoicing, recurring invoices. The recurring invoices can be set up on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually basis. Check writing, it has standard and custom accounting reports, project management, inventory management, task management, and easy to use portals for customers, vendors, and job candidates. And what we like about it is the customer portal allows our customers to easily approve sales orders, recurring sales orders, pay invoices that are open, communicate with us through the portal. It's extremely powerful. Everything's all built in. Everything, it's native accounting with CRM, project management, task management, everything. So let me give you a brief tour of the features and the modules that make Striven so powerful. When I say modules, I'm not talking about things that are separate. These are features that are built into the software, but I call them modules because it's different areas of the software. So what you're seeing here is a fictional company we set up, John Doe Enterprises. And so this is the dashboard, and you can see there's lots of features, and I'll start right up here in this corner here. I'm just going to briefly go over each one of these. You have a calendar, you have employee expenses, reports, time off, all this information here. You can actually change password easily. So this is for the employee. If you want to chat with Striven, you can if you're paying for their service. So they have a 30% of the monthly fee. If you want to have extended service, you can do that. And you can also submit a ticket for either an enhancement, a feature enhancement request, or you're having some issue with the software, or you have a question or something, you can do it through a ticket. So here's your dashboard button, and this is all the things that are on the service that you can all do from the dashboard. You can, with a plus, you can add any of these things: an employee, an appointment, discussion, buzz, any vendors. Here's where you add leads. You can add a customer from here, sales order, invoice, credit, payment, and you can add all your accounting functions here. If you want to communicate with an employee in the office, you just do that, and you click that, and here's your employee. So everything's all integrated, nothing is hanging on. And this is what we call a buzz. This is a little icon of a newspaper. So what's nice is you can actually create a post and communicate to everybody in the company a particular piece of information. So it's like a company bulletin board. And then this here is our bookmarks, so you can actually customize your bookmarks here. All right, so here's where you would change the settings. It's lots of neat features. You can do surveys, forms. You can quiz job candidates. You can make assessments for your employees. And everything is customizable. So you can have custom fields all throughout the system. So if I type in custom, you can get custom fields for all the different sections. It's where you add employees. You can have separate roles. So really powerful. You can have your CEO role, bookkeeper role, um, customer service role, AR clerk, AP clerk, however you want to slice and dice it and give everybody their own particular access to different features of the software. So your CEO might have everything, but your AR clerk's only going to have AR responsibilities. They don't need to see everything else. So then you have your employee management here, full featured. Here's your customers. So you can start off with your leads. And the nice thing too is that you actually have web leads. So you can actually have a web form that's embedded in your website. And when someone fills that out, that lead comes right into Striven. So it's really powerful. And then you have your salespeople convert the leads into opportunities, and they start the discussion with the potential customer. Those opportunities can then turn into sales orders. Sales orders then can be approved by the customer. You can do verbal improvements, electronic improvements, written approvals, so where they have to sign some type of piece of paper that you attach with the order. So there's a lot of flexibility. And then invoicing, so the orders become invoices. So lots of features. Automated collections. You have four emails that go out reminding people. You also have, if you're doing credit card charging, if the credit card fails, there's a failed payments module that comes with it, and you can either make it automated or you can make it manual, where you go ahead and highlight all the ones that failed and send them a message. And when the message goes out to them, it tells them why it failed. So they need to update their credit card, or maybe the expiration date, something else, like that may have happened. Here's your vendor area. All your important vendor information can be kept track here. 1099s, pay your bills, issue credits. So here's your accounting. Here's your recurring transactions. Set up your chart of accounts. Here's the failed payments queue I was telling you about. You can print checks, print invoices. You can email invoices. We have we have check writing, you have credit cards, and you can reconcile both checks and checking accounts and your different credit cards. Striven also has online banking integration with all your major banks. So the deposits and checks that are written. So all that information can be pulled into Striven. And then here's your inventory. You can have your items set up here. You can do your builds. So if you're in manufacturing, you can do your builds here. And then we're in Delaware, so we don't have any sales tax. We're one of the 4 states in Delaware that does not have, or one of the 4 states in the United States that does not have a sales tax. But if you do, all the tables for the sales taxes are kept in here, kept up to date. So if you're the type of company that does projects here, you can have all your projects, all your information in here. You can set up a multi-touch. I forgot to tell you about multi-touch here. Multi-touch is a email campaign. It's all built into the system, and you tell the system what list that you want to pull from in your customers based on a whole number of different filters. So it's very powerful. You can set it up to send something out every day, every week, every month. You can do it as a newsletter format in HTML, or you can just do a standard email. Lots of flexibility. And then if you do monthly statements like us, we do our invoices on the 1st of the month. We print and email our statements on the 15th of the month. So getting back to projects, so that's projects and tasks. So we have a nice task management part of the system. And if you have trucks that are on the road, you can dispatch those. You can schedule workloads. The library is a task library, so you can have pre-built information, pre-built documents or email that are going to be going out. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. And then the report module is incredible. Look at all the different ways you can do reports. And these are pre-built reports. Then if you want to build a report, you can do that too. So here's your usage who has access, who's been accessing this system, and here's your employee page visit. So this tells you what pages that your employees went on for that day or week or month. Here's all your agings, your AR aging. Here's it by customer. Lots of information, very powerful. And when you do your report builder, it allows you to add, and then you have all these different data sets. So you can create your reports based on off of these data sets. So really, really interesting. It can really do a lot. We love it. We've been using it since last June 1st. And so if you have any questions, send me an email, respond through the YouTube. And we also have, once you've reached out to us and made some type of connection with us, we're happy to set up a free 30-day trial so you can look at it yourself and see if it might work for your business. So thanks for listening.